Okay guys, welcome to this formulas 10 quick questions quiz. Okay, and this is appropriate for GCSE foundation tier, GCSE higher tier, key stage 3 maths, okay, functional skills level 1 and level 2 maths, and also entry level 3 maths and entry level certificate in mathematics. Okay, yeah, so this is looking at the algebra section here, looking at formulas, yeah, and subbing into formulas. Okay, this is question number 1, guys. The speed of a falling object is found by the formula v is equal to 10t. If t is equal to 5, find v. So these are your 4 options. Okay, so pause the video, have a go at the question, okay, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, so answer for this, okay, answers for these. So v is equal to 10 lots of 5, 10 times, so 10t means 10 times t, so 10 lots of 5, 10 times 5 is 50, guys. So the answer is equal to 50, which is equal to option B, guys. Okay, question number 2. Use this rule to work out the number of minutes to cook a turkey that weighs 3 kilograms. Multiply the weight by 40 and then add 30. Okay, so you follow it in that order. Times by 40 and then add 30. So 3 kilograms, so 3 lots of 40. Okay, and then plus 30. Okay, yeah, so using bid mass here. So follow it in the order. So I do 3 lots of 40, that will equal to 120. 120 add 30, guys, is equal to 150. So the answer is equal to 150 minutes, guys. Yeah, so working in minutes, okay, for that here. So the answer is equal to that, okay, for that one, okay. Question number 3, use this rule to work out the cost of a taxi journey. The cost is equal to the cost per kilometer times the number of kilometers here. So read it carefully. The cost per kilometer here is 40p and the journey is 8 kilometers. So is it A, 32 pence, B, £3.20, C, £4.80, or D, £32? Okay, so I'm going to have 40 pence, so 40p times 8, okay, yeah, 8 kilometers. 40 times 8 is equal to 320 pence, so 320 pence, which is equal to £3.20. Okay, pence to pounds, I divide it by 100, guys. So that'll be option B, guys. Okay. Question number 4. The speed of a falling object is found by the formula v is equal to u plus 10t. If u is equal to 8 and t is equal to 5, find v. So v will be equal to 8 plus 10 lots of 5. Okay, 10 lots of 5. Okay, so using bid mass, I do this part first. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. So 8 plus 50. So v is equal to 8 plus 50, which is equal to 58, guys. So that'll be option D, guys. Okay, for that one. Question number 5, we've got I is equal to P over V. I is equal to current in amps, P is equal to power in watts, and V is equal to voltage in volts. Okay, so a mechanic tests the headlamps on a car. Each headlamp uses 100 watts of power. Okay, the voltage is 12 volts. The current used by each headlamp is as follows. Is it A 0.12? Is it B 0.83? Is it C 1.2? Or is it D 8.3? So subbing in, so P is equal to 100. Here, read it carefully. The voltage is equal to V. So it's 100 divided by 12 years. So yeah, it's a bit more tricky, this one. We'll obviously take our time. So they're both even, so I can half it. So I get 56. Half the next year, and I'm going to get 25 thirds. Yes, a bit more easier now. So how many 3's going to 25 each year? That'll be 8. Remainder 1. So the remainder, yeah, I can write it as a fraction. So 8 and 1/3. So that'll be equal to 8.3 amps. Now, technically, 1/3 yeah is actually 0.3 reoccurring. They've obviously rounded it here. Okay, yeah. So the answer, yeah, is equal to that, okay? Yeah, it is obviously at 8.33333, so on and so forth. They've obviously rounded here actually to 1 dp, so the answer is 8.3. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Question number 6. You can convert the temperature degrees to Celsius by using this formula. C is equal to 5 lots of F minus 5 lots of 32, all divided by 9, where C is the temperature in degrees Celsius and F is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature in Sydney one morning is 104 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's F. Okay, what is 104 degrees Fahrenheit in degrees? Sorry, what is 104 degrees Fahrenheit in degrees Celsius, sorry? Is it A, 26? Is it B, 40 degrees? Is it C, 54 degrees? Or is it D, 8 degrees? Okay, so I'm going to sub in 104 into here. So I'm going to have 104, subtract 32 here. So we'll do our column subtraction. Okay, 4 take away 2 is 2. Oops, sorry. 0 take away there, I can't do, so I need to borrow. So it's going to be there. 10 take away 3 is going to equal to 7. So I've got 5 lots of 72 divided by 9. Now, to make it easier for me, because I want to make obviously the number actually smaller, if I do 72 divided by 9, actually I get 8. So I actually get 5 lots of 8, because 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So the answer is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've substituted F is equal to 104 into this formula, okay, to work out the value for C, where C is the temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, in the UK in general, okay, in England, so in the United Kingdom, we obviously work with like degrees Celsius, but we can obviously work in Fahrenheit as well. Okay, but in general, actually, so in this country, we obviously work in like degrees Celsius. Okay, question number 7. The total marks for 2 assignments is calculated by the formula T is equal to A plus 4B, where A is a mark on the first paper and B is a mark on the second paper. What is the total when A is equal to 16 and B is equal to 12? So the total, so T will equal to 16 plus 4 lots of 12 years. So I'm substituting in the values of A and B into my formula. Okay, 4 times 12 is going to be 48. Okay, 16 plus 48, you actually get 64. Okay, so the total, okay, for the 2 papers is equal to 64. Okay, so if you're not sure, so 16 plus 48 is, so do like a little addition to like the side, so column addition. 6 plus 8 is going to be 14, so 4 carry the 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is going to be 6 there, okay, for that one actually. And then working out 4 times 12, so I can just work out here if you're not sure, doing column multiplication. 2 times 4 is going to be 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so that's where the 48 has come from. Okay, 16 plus 48 is 64. Okay, question number 8. Speed is distance over time. Actually, so this is a very common formula here that is used, especially in the GCSE-Mathematics maths for the paper 2 and paper 3 here. So this sort of question here will actually appear on your exam. Okay, and it's quite a hot topic here for like a paper 2 and a paper 3 as well. Okay, it's probably appeared in like a paper 1 actually, but these questions here can also appear on like a paper 2 and a paper 3, so like a calculator paper on the GCSE-91 maths higher and foundation. Okay, so the question is, a cyclist travels a distance of 20 kilometers kilometers in 3 hours. What is his average speed to nearest whole number? So read it obviously carefully. So distance over time, so it will be 20 divided by 3. Okay, so 20 divided by 3. Well, 3's into 20. That'll be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 21 is too big. So it goes in 6 times with a remainder of 2. So it's going to be 6 2/3. Now, that's obviously closest to option D. Now, technically, yes, for those of you that are actually wondering, technically, yes, 2/3 is actually 0.666666. Obviously reoccurring, so on and so forth. Okay, they've obviously rounded it here. Oh, sorry. Nearest whole number, actually. But, so nearest whole number, actually, I actually misread, actually. So the answer should be 7, actually, to that nearest whole number, because that's obviously closer Okay, this number is closer to 7 than it is to 6. Okay, yeah, so remember that 2/3 is equal to